since last time?
I don't think so, no. Still 12 XV315s, 12 base AKs.
Yeah.
Same shit.
Yeah, still playing good.
I did drop the box a little bit, like made it bigger inside.
Yeah.
So it plays a lot higher now, but it'll still play lows.
Yeah. What's this thing? What's going on, man? How you been, man?
Man, I'm doing good.
How was That's a big difference right there.
Yeah, the high notes.
Oh yeah, to do it.
It'll still play low stuff, but the highs, it's real.
Yeah, you can feel it now.
Yeah. Let me try to get some low. This is like 22 here.
Okay.
Posh touch drinking tea in Buckingham Palace. Big Ben and black cabs. Them telephone boxes, you know, love to take pictures and that shit. Lovely full English brekkie and all of that. Nah, bro. Let me tell you something. That's just what they show you, innit? That's not what you see. That ain't the bits. And that ain't London.
this brother, Brad, was it Brad Becraft? Becraft car audio. I'm gonna be sure to tag him down in the video, man. It was good seeing you, man. This thing can play everything.
Yeah, it'll play everything.
You just throw it out now, right?
What's that?
You put it on the trailer and bring it down on you.
I'll drive.
So when did you do this?
A couple weekends ago.
And you was still able to drive it?
Oh yeah.
How far did you drive?
To here, it's like almost 4 hours. I stopped at another show on the way down here.
So you came from over on what side,
like East Indianapolis.
Oh, okay, yeah.
Indiana.
Yeah, okay, you did. So you drove it just like this?
Yep.
That's
and I'm driving it home.
And I'm sitting here thinking I got a long drive with something in the vehicle. I know this thing is heavy.
Yeah, it's like 9,600.
Oh yeah, I'm alright then, yeah. You gonna make the Sundown?
I don't know, I'm gonna try.
Yeah, I'm gonna try.
We'll see.
Yeah, man, it was good seeing you, bro.
Yeah, appreciate it.
Y'all be sure to give him a follow, man.